Are you thinking about getting a pair of Vionics? These are walking shoes for men. They're Vionic. They are black shoes with the insoles are actually built in. Orthotics are actually built into these sneakers. We're doing a total unboxing. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get into the unboxing. Hey guys, thanks for tuning into your review channel. I got a special package today. Yes, I did. I want to open this box up too. This is an unboxing of Vionics. I got a pair of Vionics. I'm not sure if you know about these, but these are really, really cool shoes. So Vionics is a company who basically they started out making inserts or insoles, orthotics. So what it does is basically you put it inside your shoe and it helps correct your posture and how you stand. It helps relieve the back pain. So they've come a long way and now they make sneakers. So I ordered a pair of sneakers, a pair of Vionic, okay? There's also some literature about it. It shows you how it corrects the posture, helps you with the support. There's some literature in here. So they have men's and women's shoes. So I got a pair of men's shoes, a pair of Vionics. Hey guys, just want to stop in real quick and to say thank you very, very much for watching my video. I do appreciate that. Please don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe. It does help support my channel. Let's get back into the unboxing. So basically, instead of just getting the insoles or the insert, it's basically your own sneaker. And let's take a look at it and see what we have. All right, cool. So here we go, a pair of black, it says Vionic, so you can see that. These are black. Okay, they're brand new, just got them in the mail. And I'm really super excited about these. And hopefully they'll help support some of your back. I know everyone's on their feet today, everyone's running around. And I wanted something to help support the posture as well as support some comfort. And these are all nice quality. I think they were like $110 for these shoes. There's one, and here's the second one here. And they have white, they have black. They might have gray too. I'll leave a link below. So if you're interested in these Vionics, I have to tell you, I know people who wear these and they swear by these shoes. They are the most comfortable and help your back. It helps relieve the stress from your back. And that's so important. So let's just pull out this inside here. That's it. We got some paper inside. Let's take a look at these. Pull out another paper. Okay. So read the literature if you want to, and also do some research online. But these are, as far as I'm concerned, from what I understand, these are super comfortable and they help with your back and help support your back, and that's important. They all come pre-laced, so you can see here. So they're all pre-laced. Basically, stick your foot in and go. I have a wide foot. They come wide. They come regular, I believe it's a regular, I think it's a medium. Usually it's a medium width or wide. Most people, if you're not wide, you're a medium, and that's how they come. Here's the box here, so let's take a look at the box. Right here, Vionic, 10.5. That's my size, and it says wide width. You can see right there, its style is a walker, and the color is black. So 23M Walk is the code name. And here's the website there, Vionic. But do the research. I'm telling you, these are great shoes. I have to tell you, I am pretty stoked to try these. They have some back issues, and like most people do. But I tell you, the build, the quality of the shoe, very high quality. I have to tell you, I do like the quality build of this shoe. I mean, it feels well made. It's light. They're not too heavy. So it's a good walking shoe, and it has good arch support. As soon as you put these on, you can feel the arch is much, much higher. I don't know if you've looked at regular sneakers, a lot of them are just crap and they make real cheap, but their technology is in the arch. The technology is basically in the support of your back. It realigns your body, it realigns your back. And honestly, I've slipped these on already one time before, and they made a big difference. So that's why I ordered them. I really wanted to try them out, and I didn't want to get you can get the insoles, and you can get Vionic, you can get the insoles inside your shoe. You can do that. Or you can order the sneaker. So I wanted to get the full sneaker, I wanted to get the full effect, try them out. I'm gonna do a full review on how they work. I'm gonna wear them for a few weeks, do some testing with them, and make another review on that. So that's it. I just wanted to bring this to your attention as far as Vionic. I know it's a popular name. If you know Vionic, if you heard about them, any questions or any comments, if you're a fan of them, let me know. See how they're working for you. That's what I really want to know. I really wanted to do a review on these. I really wanted to try them out. They look super cool. Different colors, like I said. They're not too heavy. Nice quality, nice, and the build is really nice. And I think that's the main thing. You know, you don't want to get cheap sneakers. You pay $110. You don't want them to last 6 months. You want them to last as long as they possibly can until they wear out in the sole. And that's it. So that's really the main thing. And for orthotics, as far as they are a very high quality name for orthotic brand shoe. So I think this is a great fit. I think this will work for me. Any questions or comments, guys, leave below. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share. It does help me support my channel, and it helps support me to do what I do, and I do appreciate that. So I hope you learned something. I hope check out the Vionic. I think you'll like them. I think they're pretty cool. Let me know your thoughts. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I appreciate it. And I'll see you at the next review.